Welcome to Lightopia, London's newest light festival here at Chiswick House. My name is Michael, London Viewpoints on Instagram, and I'm here to explore everything there is to this light show. Let's do this. We're here on Chinese New Year. Happy New Year! So the festival is taking place at Chiswick House, which I've never been before, so it'll be fun to explore this place for the first time at night with loads of cool light installations on. This is a ticketed event, so I had to buy tickets obviously for myself and for my kids, and it seems to be quite popular anyway. And because it's a ticketed event, I'm kind of expecting a bigger wow factor compared to some of the free light shows events happening around London. So let's find out. Crazy, like if by walking around here you'd stumble onto the artist that actually designed all of that. It's just, yeah, surely that will never happen.
Hi, I'm Ava Moradi, Lightopia designer. This year we are in London for the first time, and our theme is harmony, which represents friendship, collaboration, and you can see in different installations I try to convey the message of friendship and also harmony in all the lights. I hope you come and enjoy the whole festival.
Of course I recorded that after I bumped into Ava, who's the artist behind it. Yeah, that's something that even I didn't anticipate happening, so yeah, that was pretty cool. So the pattern of this festival, it seems to be that you follow a path along with other people and you just go from installation to installation. But as the ticketed event, it doesn't seem that crowded, so it's busy, but I think there was still available tickets, so yeah, everyone could join. Some installations are more static, but I really like the one that sort of add motion and the lights move around, like this one. This sort of a recreation of a dome. It's pretty cool. And if you're into portraiture, I'm sure all these colorful lights would make for perfect backgrounds and adding color to your portrait. So yeah, definitely worth checking out. So I did take a few lenses today, but I decided just to stick to one. I put on the 20mm f1.8 on the Nikon Z6, and yeah, we're flying on the gimbal, just this one, and I'm changing between FX mode and DX mode if I need a little bit of zoom in. Okay, I saw lasers. I'm a sucker for lasers. I do like a good laser show. And there's a laser show here, so excited. That was pretty cool. Okay, the 3D projection and the lasers were pretty incredible for such a short sort of 2-3 minutes animation that's on loop. Yeah, that was quite cool. And we are in a rainbow tunnel, 100% Grammar's favorite, but rainbow tunnels with changeable light make some really cool hyperlapses. Let me show you. And along the path we stumbled upon loads of fairground rides, as well as all sorts of Chinese arts and crafts that you can purchase in the tent, and obviously lots of food and drink stalls, so everything's in. And seeing the sign behind me probably means that we reached the end of the trail. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and comment if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more videos like this about light shows, cool places to visit in London, and occasional tech reviews from me. I'm Michael, London Viewpoints on Instagram. Please also follow me there if you like. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.